So I can get these undone now. And get these feed dogs out of there for a minute to see what's underneath. To see what lies beneath. There, slowly but surely. Okay. Now we'll get that other one. Awkward spot for these feed dogs, but I guess that's where they have to be to get the sewing machine to feed the cloth along. That's what the feed dogs do, pretty much. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. There. See, it's a slow, awkward process sometimes, isn't it? I will try this. You know what? In this application, this seems to be a little bit of progress. Are we there yet? Not yet, I guess. Whoopsie daisy. There, I'm getting some turns on that rascal now. There, it's out. Oh dear, don't knock the camera over. I don't want to unbalance all you wonderful viewers. I need you to come back for the next video. Let's maybe make a change here. There we go. So what do we got under here? Let's see. There. We do have a bunch of dirt. That's what that is. So we'll be able to get that off. I have a Q-tip. There, you can see it. Some of the looser stuff is being pushed out of the way. But I can feel there's some okay, there's the teeth. Oh, there's a bit of fluff there. And some there. Well, I'll get that handy dandy toothbrush that I had. And I'll put him into action. I'm gonna flip it over. It's just nice to have it clean because, you know, these threads, if they get stuck down there, then they trap other ones. That's why you have to be careful with the oil that you leave on board, because it attracts dirt, and then more dirt attracts to that. We can see some fluff there. Yeah. So there it is on my finger. Just feels like dry little bits of thread. This one isn't particularly, but there's more in there, down there, and then under those dogs there, there's some there. So if that's what I see at the top here, then there's going to be a fair bit more down underneath the hook and the bobbin case and all that down in there. But I am surprised. This bobbin is surprisingly simple. You know, you just drop the bobbin right. The bobbin case is surprisingly simple. That looks like that was made to... Oh, wow. Well, I'm not going to mess with that. I'm going to have to figure out what that is. But anyway, I still have a bunch of cleaning to do in here. And I'll continue along with that. Oh, it's kind of long, slow, boring work. Nothing really happens. But I've got to start. I'm going to put this back. Oopsie daisy. I'm going to put this back together for the nighttime because it's a new machine and I haven't dealt with this model before, and I don't want to take it apart and then not remember. My mind is still cognizant of it. It still remembers where the parts go. If I sleep on it, I may have to really acquaint myself tomorrow, and I don't want to do that. I want to start fresh on something else. And I'm just trying to get some of the grunge out from where the screws go in these holes. Let's get a clean one and see if this is clean now, or am I still getting more grunge? Oh, there's some more. Good. Let's see this one now. Oh yeah, there's some more there, and I didn't put it right down. Now we'll go right through or down. Yeah, there's a bit there. Let's go back here. How's this one? That's good. Okay, I'm going to stop there for now and put this together.